If you have a multiple choice exam coming up, chances are you do, you should be using the 1-3-2 method. This technique will seriously come in clutch when you are writing an exam and you don't know the answer right away. You can use this technique to eliminate which ones are wrong and actually pinpoint which one is the correct answer. So the 1 in this technique represents the one that's obviously wrong. Normally there is one that's clearly wrong, and then that leaves 3 viable answers. And then the 2 in this technique represents the 2 best answers. So of the 3 that are viable, 2 of them are going to be like, yeah, those 2 make the most sense, and you can eliminate the other third one that isn't like obviously no, but it's not the best of the 3. Okay, now that you've narrowed it down to the 2 best answers, this is obviously where things get tricky. What I would recommend is to choose the one that is most comprehensive, meaning it has the most detail. So I actually pulled up an old example from my grade 12 biology class, and I got 10 out of 10 on the multiple choice section here. And as you can see, I chose A, and that was the right answer. And if you look at the length of this A question versus the rest of the B, C, and D, it's the most comprehensive, it has the most detail, and oftentimes that is going to be the correct one once you've pinpoint the 2 best answers. But the best way that you can prepare for a multiple choice exam is to do practice multiple choice questions ahead of time, and this is when I would actually recommend the website StudyFetch. This website has a tests and quiz fetch feature where basically you can generate, using your materials from your class, a practice test or quiz and choose how many multiple choice questions you want. There's actually a sample multiple choice test that I generated from my old site.